Yo, these are my cats. They like to fight a lot. But let's see this fight up close, yeah. Sorry, I gotta cover it now. But, okay, let's do something. Watch this. I'm gonna take this cat and I'm gonna put it down here with the wind. Watch this. You're not scared of anything, are you? No. Okay. Haha. Oh, there's the queen bee. Now watch that. Watch this, yo. Watch this. Watch this, yo. Now watch this, yo. Now, all these little miniature kittens, that fluffy one right there, they're her kids. So all those, that one, and that fluffy one right there are her kids. But watch this. It's like really weird, and she hates them. And he right there, the dark orange one right there, hates people too. Holy shnikes. I'm gonna have to check him out. Something's got a hold of him. And took out a chunk of his fur. So anyway, that's the end of this fight. They're leaving her alone. Say hi, Tempe. Oh, there they come. So this fight might carry on. Watch this. Okay, Tempe, say bye. Bye. She said bye. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching my video.